I'm going to show you how to make fuzzy ears in about 10 minutes. To begin, draw your template shape and cut it out. Trace 2 of these onto some leftover Worbla and cut it out. Now use a heat gun to lightly heat up your Worbla and shape them into ears. Trace 4 of these onto some CosBond's attach and build and cut those out. Stick these to the front and back of your Worbla. Peel the release paper and then begin wrapping your fur around your ears. And then cut these out. Do this for all 4 sides. To attach them, cut out 2 strips of Worbla and then cut these in half. Use some attach and build on the ends, heat these up, and then wrap them around a headband or hair clip. Now your ears are done with no mess, no fumes, and no dry time. You could even do this in a hotel room.